Welcome back to my channel, guys. Next up in my Christmas series is these adorable caroling bells. To start off this design, I'm going to pick up a 1/2 inch flat brush, and I just loaded it with a split cake that I had with orange and yellow right next to each other. And I'm using the orange as the outer edge of my bell, and I'm just going to create the basic shape of a bell and then fill it in with the yellow color. After you got your first bell on, go ahead and paint the second bell, making it look like it's coming out from behind the first bell. Here I have loaded my number 4 round brush with some red face paint, and I'm just going to create the basic shape of a bow. This next step is completely optional, but I just thought it really added to the design and gave it a little extra pop of color. So all I did was load my 1/2 inch flat brush with green and white, and I mapped out where I wanted my pine needles or pine garland, whatever these things are called, where I want them to go, and I'm just stamping on those pine needles, making sure I have the white part of my brush pointing outwards. Next, I just grabbed my round number 4 and I loaded it with black, and I just quickly outlined my bow, and I'm going to go ahead and outline the bells as well. Now for the fun part. I love doing line work. Here I have loaded my round number 4 with my favorite wolf white, and I'm just going to create some swirls and reverse teardrops. And you can do this in just white, but I decided to do it in green and red as well. And I just love the extra dimension of color that it adds to my design. But if you're pressed for time, you can skip doing the red and the green and just stick with white line work. I think that would be just as beautiful. Lastly, I love polishing off my designs with a few dots and starbursts here and there. I just think that they make any design look a little bit more magical and sparkly. And speaking of sparkle, I have to add glitter. This is a red, green, and gold combo, and I think it is just gorgeous. And it just helps polish off this design. And that is it, guys. This is my caroling bells design. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, guys.